So let's analyze how to take a trade using a support and resistance using a stock. So I have chosen the stock ICC Bank here, and I am using a time frame of 1 hour. And look, you can change the time frame from 1 day, 1 hour, 15 minutes, or 5 minutes for intraday long position. So it depends upon like how you want to trade. So I'm using a 1 hour time framework, and the site I'm using is TradingView, and today is August 16, 2020, and I'm gonna analyze between the time framework of July till August. Okay, so the first thing, you can analyze a chart in any website, or even you can analyze a chart in your broker site. Okay, so you have to open the chart, and you have to identify some kind of this price level consolidation happening. So here I see a consolidation happening at this area. Look, this area, at this range, some kind of consolidation is happening, right? So I drew a horizontal line here that has become my resistance for this stock ICC Bank. Similarly, I see a consolidation level happening at this range. Like, look here, some kind of consolidation is coming, it's touching, it's going. So like some kind of consolidation happening. So I drew a horizontal line here, which has become my support zone. If you want to draw the horizontal line, you can go to this part, you can pick this horizontal line, and you can draw like this. Okay, yes. So we can go deep into this section. So here, let's see, we can take this area. The price has started from like 341, 342. It went up, and it reached the resistance level, which is our resistance level is 357. Yes, 357. Okay, it reached the resistance level, but it couldn't break the resistance level. It gave a reversal. Look, it touched the resistance, it gave a reversal. It is, the price has fallen down till it touched the support level. Since this is support level, the price couldn't break it, and the price has moved upward. It touched the support, and the price has moved upward. It gave a reversal, and again it went up. But here what happened was that the price was able to break the resistance level, and it went from this level to till this level. So for a buyer or a seller, they can wait whether the particular stock is going to break a resistance level or going to break a support level. So in this stage, a seller can wait, okay, whether the stock is going to break the resistance. Okay, the price level couldn't break the resistance, it gave a reversal. So at this position, if a seller was able to make a short position, take a short position here, look how much of profit he or she can earn. Similarly, just wait whether the price level is able to break the resistance level, and if a person takes a long position here, look how the price has moved upward from this level to this level. Yes, the big profit he or she might have earned. Similarly, we can look at this position. The price has started from here, and it went till reached this area, which is our reversal. It couldn't break it, it gave a reversal, and it went, it fallen to till the support level. It gave a support, and it went up. Similarly, it came to support level, it went up. And here what happened was that the price was, tried maximum to give, or break this resistance, but they couldn't break it. Hence some kind of consolidation happening here, happened here, and it came down. Again it tried to break it, but couldn't break up much, couldn't break to a very big level. Again it came back, but somehow it managed to break here. And see how much of a profit a person would have gained if he or she took an buy long position here. Look, so like we can take different stocks, and we can draw a resistance and support with different frameworks, and we can see how the price is respecting the resistance and support level. And moreover, you can club with many other indicators like MACD, RSI, or volume profiles to, in order to, find if it's a false breaker. For example, what if a person has taken a trade here, but the price has fallen down, right? So by just looking at the volume profile, he or she can find, okay, this is just a false breakout. And we can look at this area. This is a resistance level, the price is coming down, it broke here, and it fell down this much. So like by analyzing a few charts, you will be able to understand how to take trades using support and resistance. Yes.